The situation in the oil market is starting to resemble a speculative attack. According to the US Department of Energy, crude oil inventories decreased by 5.054 million barrels and the gasoline stockpiles by 2.406 million barrels. Despite these, oil prices extended losses, falling below the level of $80 per barrel. In addition, the dollar lost ground yesterday, given the inverse correlation between the United States currency and almost all other financial instruments, including commodities. Oil was supposed to gain value, so the current decline defies logic, which points to its speculative nature. This poses a high risk of a sudden and sharp move in the opposite direction. At any moment, the market may gain strong upside momentum and break above $80 per barrel. From a technical point of view, Brent crude tumbled, breaking through the $80 per barrel level. As a result, the volume of sell positions increased sharply, fueling a sell-off. It's a fair guess that the asset is on a track to resume the downtrend and is likely to hit toward the critical support level of $70. Meanwhile, gold remains relatively stable. The old metal continues to trade near $2,000 per ounce, with no attempts to rise above this mark. On the contrary, there are periodic efforts to go down, followed by a return to the psychological level. Investors are awaiting the meetings of a European Central Bank policymakers and the Federal Open Market Committee. And the second one is of a far greater importance. However, it will be held only next week. Until then, gold is likely to keep drifting around current levels. And as for the Russian currency, the only thing worthy of attention is an attempt to move above 82 rubles per dollar, the upper boundary of the 81 and 82 trading range, for the first time in the past 2 weeks. This reflects mounting investor attention ahead of the Bank of Russia's board meeting scheduled for tomorrow. After all, there is a possibility of a rate cut. However, the most likely scenario is that the regulator will keep the key interest rate unchanged, but stress the need to begin easing monetary policy in the near future. So the situation with the ruble will change only tomorrow. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to the channel and follow news with us. See you soon.